It's a Tuesday today and this is my 177th daily vlog. Today I need to do some trades and also celebrate my mum's birthday more. It was yesterday. Eating the weirdest breakfast ever this morning. This cake is so good though. Look how wet it is. No doubt Royal Mail are going to come while I'm in the bath and no one else is here. And yesterday I actually missed a package as well, which was the first time in ages. Don't think the people I'm trading with are happy when I miss a package, because it delays it by like a day. It was my mum's birthday though, to be fair. I knew they'd come while I was in the shower. Had a few arrive today and a few arrive yesterday. But I'm not going to be able to do them until tomorrow, so for some people I've held the item for 2 days. I feel quite bad, but sometimes I only hold it for like 2 hours. I think I'm going out and going to Abby's, staying around hers tonight. She's quite ill. But as you can see, sat on quite a few. Some of them have been there for like a week just because simply waiting on the other part. Need to get better with it all. Hell yeah, I'll do a video on this soon. Oh nice. Going to see The Secret Life of Pets. They're really playing Gangster's Paradise in the toilets. Apparently this is getting knocked down in like 2 years. I suppose the docs want it. It's a huge site though. It's got a shitty Oceana. Got to pick up a parcel. Eat in here.
That's nice.
This is a fried gherkin. Look at this blockbuster. If you can see through the windows. Abby's now staying here tonight. She's been feeling sick lately. Gonna eat this and start eating better tomorrow. Drew's mum bought me this.
Minus 558 equals
2,677?
correct.
It's 3 weeks today until I can stop wearing this shit when I walk. Today I wore this hoodie. It's a really nice colour. And this tee with this print on the back. I love Pokemon Go so much. Thank you to Raf for getting me the Australian account to download it.